Welcome back to the oil-free cooking classes. Today I am going to teach you how to make a Dorka Nariyal Sabji. The main ingredient of the Dorka Nariyal Sabji is that we need a coconut in it. So I have taken out the coconut from its hard shell and shredded it. Dorka has been cut into small pieces and has been soaked overnight just to take it out from the chemicals. To make the sabji, you need to preheat the pressure cooker and add the spices. Now in this spices I have taken jeera, rai, kalonji and sauf and the tej patta. I have added the spices. Now I need to roast the spices. As you can see that the spices are getting a little bit of brown color and the aroma of the spices are coming out. Make sure that you don't roast spices too much so that it can get burned up. You need not to burn the spices. Now I will add todka in it. A bit of turmeric powder, and salt. You can add hing powder too. Now I am adding the ginger and the chilies at the end so as to get the flavor of the ginger and the chilies. If you want, you can add at the beginning of the adding spices. Since we do not use oil, so we need to add at the end so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the vessel. Now saute the vegetables for a few minutes. After sauteing for the vegetables for a few minutes, you need to add shredded coconuts in it. Now again saute the vegetables for a few minutes. After sauteing the vegetables for a few minutes, if you want, you can cover the vessel with a lid. So uncover the lid. As you can see, the vegetables have released a lot of amount of water in it. So if you want, you can add more water in it, or just you can cover the pressure cooker lid and let it pressure cook it for 1 or 2 whistles. Personally, I would like to add some water in it. I've added the water. Now I will cover it with the pressure cooker lid and wait for the 3 whistles. So I have waited for the 3 whistles in the pressure cooker, and I switched off the gas and allowed the pressure cooker to cool down. Now I am opening the lid. I think a bit of the gases are still present. We can remove it. So you can see that on the surface there will be a little bit of oil. Instead of it adding any single drop of oil, you see the oil is remaining. So it proves that the vegetable itself secretes the oil. We need not add any additional amount of oil. Also, the oil that is you are seeing on the surface of the vegetable is also due to present of the rai dana that we have added. When we roast the rai dana and add in the sabji, so it automatically secretes the oil. Now you can bit of salt the vegetables. You can mix it properly. You can take out the vegetables in a bowl and you can serve it. So this was a video about the oil-free Dhodka Nariyal coconut vegetable. So keep watching the my videos for the more oil-free cooking. Thank you.